If you're into content creation, this thing right here, this 512 gigabytes solid state drive, portable hard drive, could be the best thing for you to have. Not only because it's super fast, it also looks really cool. You can see it comes with an alloy case. That means that the SSD drive inside won't actually catch any temperature or won't overheat. So that's really cool. But the other thing is this thing is super fast. As compact as you see it, is super fast. It goes in a 2100 megabytes per second, which is a really nice reading speed. So let me actually connect it to the cable, which by the way, it comes with a provided cable, USB-C to USB-C. I have my own cable. This one, I wish it could be a little bit longer, but it makes it work, so it's not a big deal. But for sure, I have one that is a little bit longer. So let me actually connect it to this really nice SSD external portable drive. So right now it is connected. You can see how good it looks with the RGB lights and the pulsing, kind of like a breathing effect. You can see that it actually looks super cool. So now it's connected, and let me actually show you how fast this is. So since it's solid state drive, I'm gonna actually drop a folder with photos, which is 2 gigabytes. Look at this. Boom, done. And now I'm gonna actually drop a folder with all videos, which is 24 gigabytes. You wanna see something super cool? Look at this. This is the driving speed, the reading speed is a 3% already, meaning that this is gonna take like super fast. Let me tell you again, it's a 24 gigabytes folder and it's at a 10% already after like what? 10 seconds, 15 seconds. So this is a super fast. So it is at almost 80% after 1 minute and 45 seconds. So this thing will take 2 minutes and 10 seconds or 2 minutes and 15 seconds. And again, that's 24 gigabytes. So you can see that it's super cool. It's super compact, really fast, in a 2100 megabytes per second reading speed with the RGB aspects right there, like the RGB lights, and it's done right now. This is a really cool thing to have if you are a content creator. I really like it, and for sure, I do recommend it. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up to this SSD drive, and I'll see you soon.